up? So today we're going to be making a Young Slobe type beat with a loop provided by ProdbyJordi. Shout out Jordi, always providing fire. This is the loop we're going to be using. Alright, so we'll go ahead and continue. So next we're going to add in some animal effects and some lasers. Usually I like to put a crow on my slow beats. Slo-be beats. So next we're going to do some lasers. Actually, yeah, we'll do the lasers, wobbles, and then triangle. Alright, cool. So yeah, so we got the basic drums and perks down. Now we're gonna add kick in the open hat, and then we'll do some mixing. So we'll see if it sounds like it fits. Alright, cool. So we got the drums now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the mixing.